friends! Welcome to Learn with Eno. What do you do if your clothes ever catch fire? Fires can be scary. But if you remember 3 simple words, you can stay safe. Ready? Say them with me. Stop, drop, roll. Again. Stop, drop, roll. Meet my friend BamBam. She loves cooking with mom in the kitchen. These pancakes smell so good. But what if her apron catches fire while cooking? What should BamBam do? Run around screaming? No, that's not cool. It will make the fire spread faster. In a fire, we should never run. Instead, we stop, drop, and roll. Stop. First, you stop moving. Don't run, don't jump. Just stand still. Drop. Next, drop to the ground fast. Knees down, hands covering your face. Roll. Finally, roll back and forth to put out the fire. Rolling helps put out the flames and keep you safe. Now it's your turn. Stand up and let's practice. Ready? Stop, drop, roll. Again. Stop, drop, roll. Let's do it faster this time. Stop, drop, roll. Stop, drop, roll. Stop, drop, roll. Oh, wow! You're getting really good at this. Great job! But guess what? Fire safety isn't just about stop, drop, and roll. Let's learn a few more tips to stay safe. Tip 1. Check doors for heat. If there is a fire in a room, don't open the door right away. First, touch the door with the back of your hand. If it's hot, don't open it. Find another way out. Tip 2. Crawl low under smoke. Smoke rises, but fresh air stays low. If you see smoke, get down on your hands and knees and crawl to safety. Tip 3. Know your escape plan. Every home should have a fire escape plan. Do you know how to exit your home in an emergency? Your mom or dad can help. Ask them. Okay, let's test what we've learned with a fire safety challenge. Ready? If your clothes catch fire, what do you do? Run as fast as you can. Stop, drop, and roll. Jump up and down. The answer is B. Stop, drop, and roll. Good job! You learn how to stay safe in a fire and what to do if your clothes catch fire. Always practice stop, drop, and roll. I had so much fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fun learning and share with your friends. See you next time on Learn with Eno.